So I've decided finally I'm gonna release this video. It's very embarrassing. About 2 months ago I violated some airspace, had a letter from the CAA, but today I thought I'd share this with you. I'm not an instructor, as you know, but hopefully you can benefit from learning from my mistakes. Let's run the video.
Golf Bravo Golf, Wellesbourne.
Golf Bravo Golf.
Golf Bravo Golf, message from Birmingham ATC, if you could give them a call on the telephone number when you're ready to copy.
Contour information, Golf Alpha Victor Bravo Golf.
Oh, Alpha Victor Bravo Golf, got information message.
Yeah, just parked on the west apron, one person on board, request airfield information and taxi back to Wellesbourne, please.
Oh, Bravo Golf, Roger, taxi Bravo 1 via taxi Alpha, runway 23 left hand, you speaking H1012.
1012 for 23 and taxi to Bravo 1, Golf Bravo Golf. Hi and welcome back to another private pilot vlog. I hope you're all well. This is just a very short flight back to Wellesbourne from Coventry, approximately about 10 minutes depending on how we're joined. Coventry is the nearest, biggest airport to Wellesbourne. Previously home to Air Atlantic, who are now moved to East Midlands. And you'll probably be familiar with plain old Ben, who's training at Aeros here at the moment. Aeros got a quite big facility. They were based on the west apron where I've just departed, but now they're over a new bigger base near the tower. Golf Bravo Golf holding Alpha, Bravo 2 ready for departure.
Golf Bravo Golf, Roger, hold position, squawk 0420 after departure, remain outside controlled airspace.
Hold position 0420 and remain out of controlled airspace. Golf Bravo Golf.
Golf Bravo Golf, fire Bravo 1, backtrack runway 23, report lined up.
Fire Bravo 1, backtrack 23, report lined up, Golf Bravo Golf. So we're just backtracking runway 23. Don't need to go all the way because we could probably land and take off 2 or 3 times.
Coventry, good afternoon, please 22.
22, confirmation, pass message.
Oh there, EC1353 on board. We are out of Husbands Bosworth, just north of Rugby, to operate just on your northern zone boundary. And I was wondering if you had any traffic to affect, please, in the Q&A check.
E22, Roger, the Connect 1012, the settled operating local area southeast.
1012 and traffic to the southeast. We'll call establishing towards your northern zone boundary, please 22.
Okay.
Golf Bravo Golf lined up, ready for departure.
Golf Bravo Golf, Roger, the runway is occupied as Cathay traffic to depart.
Hold position, Golf Bravo Golf.
Roger. Golf Bravo Golf, with the helipad in sight, runway 23, take off your discretion, 200 degrees, 11 knots.
Taking off, Golf Bravo Golf. Airspeed's alive. And looks good. Okay. Rotate. Flaps come out. Yeah, it is a little bit bumpy. Okay, we're routing right back to Warwick Castle. back to Wellesbourne. So really quick flight back.
Call 2, please 22, sorry, yeah, just copy my last.
There's one on final for a touch and go.
Okay, please 22.
Golf, Bravo Golf, Smithfield is notified as active.
Copy that, Golf, Bravo Golf. Yeah, it's not the best of afternoons now. The weather's moving in. It's great to be back in the air though, it's great to be back. I just need to make sure I don't bust my airspace. We're just approaching 1500 feet. And Birmingham's airspace is 1500 feet and above in this area, so yeah, but so we've got the race course. I think I can see the castle which go into the wing. Golf Bravo Golf confirmed, switching to Wellesbourne 124.030.
Bravo Golf, Roger, Squawk 7000, free call, Wellesbourne, goodbye.
7000, thanks for your service, Serge, goodbye.
Golf India Victor, practice radio after takeoff. Golf Sierra Papa, final land. Golf Sierra Papa, runway 18, land your discretion, the wind is 2009 knots. Landing Golf Sierra Papa.
Wellesbourne information, Golf Alpha Victor Bravo Golf.
Golf Alpha Victor Bravo Golf, Wellesbourne information, pass your message.
Inbound back to Wellesbourne, 1400 feet just overhead Warwick, request joining instructions.
Golf Bravo Golf, Roger, it's runway 18, right hand circuit, QFE 1007.
18 right hand 1007. Would it be possible to join for a long final? Golf Bravo Golf.
Golf Bravo Golf, suggest you join overhead, there's 3 joining at this time.
We'll go Golf Bravo Golf.
Golf Romeo Mike, final 18, contact 1 ahead.
Golf Romeo Mike, Roger, the runway's occupied with 1 to vacate. Golf Romeo Mike, runway 18, land your discretion, surface wind 190 at 6, maximum 11 knots.
Golf Romeo Mike.
Golf Sierra Papa, right at the end, taxi back to parking. Golf November Delta, final to land, contact 1 ahead. Golf November Delta, Roger.
Golf Echo Oscar, downwind 18.
Golf Echo Oscar, report final, runway 18, with 2 reported ahead, 1 just coming over the threshold and 1 on final.
Wilco, visual traffic, Echo Oscar.
Golf Bravo Golf, just overhead 18 and then descending down side for 18 right hand.
Golf Bravo Golf, Roger, and the traffic Cessna 152 just gone round off runway 18.
Copy that, keeping a good look out, Golf Bravo. So we're just descending dead side over Wellesbourne Village. Bravo Golf, just about to turn downwind, can't see the Cessna ahead, Golf Bravo Golf.
Golf Bravo Golf, Roger, report final, runway 18, break Golf November Delta, report your position. We just turned when Golf November Delta, with visual with 1 joining crosswest.
The stage of Luxon. Lower us down a little bit.
Golf Alpha Mike Alpha, ready for departure. Golf Alpha Mike, hold position, the traffic just turned final. Hold position, Golf Alpha Mike.
Golf Bravo Golf final for 18.
Golf Bravo Golf, runway 18, land your discretion, the surface wind is 2009, maximum 13 knots.
Golf Bravo Golf. Okay, 1 white, 1 red. A little bit fast. We're going to go a little bit higher, I think, in a second. Take the RPM back down to 1500. Okay, stabilise a little bit fast still. Got an Alpha aircraft holding. A little bit low now. Put the RPM in. Put a bit more power back in to keep those on high. Okay, back to 1500 feet.
Golf November Delta, final to land, contact 1 ahead. Golf November Delta, Roger.
Okay. But that wasn't one of my best landings. I'll have to watch it back. No doubt I'll get a few messages about that one. Oh dear. What a day though, what a day.
Golf Bravo Golf, Wellesbourne.
Golf Bravo Golf.
Golf Bravo Golf, message from Birmingham ATC, if you could give them a call on the telephone number when you're ready to copy.
Okay.
So just after shutting down the aircraft, I called Birmingham ATC straight away. I explained what happened, and they explained that I'd actually been in their airspace, to my horror, as I had no idea until I reviewed the cameras and my Sky Demon, which actually showed that I was in their airspace for about 60 seconds by just under 200 feet, purely because I was using the QFE and I should have been still using the QNH really, or paid attention to the difference, which I hadn't. So I thought I'd release this to share my mistakes. Hopefully you can learn from it, or hopefully not avoid doing it yourself. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It is very embarrassing sharing my mistakes with you all, but it's part of flying, and these videos is to review what I do. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and there'll be another video coming very soon.